Hello. We just changed our background because I want to show you how to do Sirsasana, the headstand, with the help of a wall. To start is the best way. With the help of a wall, we start to gain confidence, and then in some point, we can do it on the middle of the room. But for the beginners, I prefer to show how to do with the help of a wall. So bring your mat close to a wall and leave a little bit the mat uh, touching the wall. And try to use always a folded blanket to protect the crown of your head. I'm not using a folded blanket because I don't have. I'm using this thin pillow. Is not the best, but is what I have. So if you have a folded blanket, please use it exactly on this part of the mat. Sit in Vajrasana on your heels, toes together, heels apart, and sit close to the blanket. Now bring your arms to the folded blanket. Lift your buttocks up and bring your hands close to the wall. First, bring your hands to the opposite elbows. Grab your elbows, and this is the measure of our elbows. So our elbows are in line with our shoulders. Now open your hands, interlock your fingers, and keep the free pinky finger inside the hand. If this outside, it doesn't balance. So bring it inside. Thumbs are resting in the other fingers. The fingers are well interlocked, are strong, but they are not rigid. So keep the fingers close to each other, but soft. And now bring the back of the hands, the fingers, touching the wall. And this is our measure. This is our triangle that will help us to support our body upside down. Now lift your buttocks up. Walk with your knees back. And bring the crown of the head to the floor. The place in the crown of the head that should be on the floor is the place where a book would balance. If you want to balance a book on your head, exactly that space that is almost the size of a coin is the place that you want to keep on the floor. Back of the head touching the fingers, back of the fingers touching the wall, elbows closed in line with the shoulders. Now tuck your toes in, lift your knees and lift your buttocks up. And start to walk with your feet close to your head. And in some point you cannot walk anymore. Your back is already touching the wall. And your legs and your trunk are making a triangle. Stay here for a while. And now inhale, lift your right leg up. Exhale down. So we switch a little bit our body to lift the leg up. Now with the leg. So we are in the end, we cannot walk anymore. Lift your leg and then down. You will see how much the wall helps. Keep your elbows closed. Don't open your elbows. Inhale, lift your right leg up and your left leg. Shoulders outwards and far away from the ears. Bring your legs together, knees together, thighs rolling inwards. Buttocks down and forward, chest open, shoulders outwards. Exactly like in Tadasana. This is the counter pose of Tadasana, the mountain pose, the base of all standing postures. So we want to be exactly as we are in Tadasana, but upside down. Keep rolling your shoulders out and down to bring balance to the posture. The body is in one straight line from your toes to the crown of your head. In this upside down asana, the blood circulation is flowing now in the opposite way. So if there are any blockages in our legs, in our feet, they remove now in this posture. Our abdominal organs are gaining space. They are now compressing our thorax, and we feel in this posture that we cannot breathe properly. It's normal. Our lungs are being compressed. And you can stay here for a few seconds. In the beginning, you should stay just for a few seconds. But then you can stay between 3-5 minutes for physical purpose, or you can stay here for 30 minutes for spiritual purpose, to open up your crown chakra and to help to release any energy blockages from your entire spine, from all your chakras. That's why this asana is so important. It's considered the king, the father, and I really wanted to show you how to do it with a wall. So start slowly, but try it. And then in some point you will feel like you can take one foot out. And then in some point you can take both and balance. Now how to release the posture, how to come out from the posture. You can bring one foot down and then the other as we start. Or you can bend your both knees. Bring your knees close to your chest. Keep your lower back supported on the wall. And now slowly bring your feet down. And don't lift your head, please. Keep your head on the floor. Just slide your forehead and come to Balasana, the child pose. Bring your arms close to the body and just rest here. It's really important this time, this moment of resting, to allow the blood flow to come to its normal. And stay here with your eyes closed, breathing through your nose deeply. You'll feel the need now to breathe deeply. It's normal. Just relax your shoulders, relax your arms, and just stay. And then slowly lift your head up. I really wanted to show you this posture. It's considered the king, the father, so it's a really important posture in yoga. But I like to teach with a wall, with the support of a wall. This posture promotes your self-esteem. Once you do the posture, even with a wall, you feel strong, you feel you did it, and this is really nice. It improves the health of our brain. We have more blood circulation in our brain, so it's good for memory, for concentration, for meditation. In the description of this video, I will tell you how many benefits these asanas, these inverted asanas, has for our lives. And that's why I practice every day when I'm not in my cycle. I practice Sirsasana and Sarvangasana every day. I start with the wall once, after another day and more days, and in some point I could take the feet from the wall, and I was feeling so happy. So I hope you can practice back home and you can feel the same way I felt, and then you feel that you can do more and more advanced asanas. But start slowly. Once more, respect your limits. Don't strain. Do not do what the others does. Just do on your rhythm. when you feel ready. Your body is your only teacher. Take care of him, and he will take care of you.